Welcome, in front of me is a Honor 9D and today I'll show you how we can record screen on this phone. So to get started you'll want to pull down your notifications by swiping down and getting this annoying pop-up. Yes, got it, cool. And here, now I will point out swipe down, it also matters from which side, so if you swipe it down from the right side it gives you toggles, if you swipe it from the left side it gives you the actual notifications. So we're interested in the right side. Anyway, here we're looking for our screen recorder, which is visible right at the bottom right here. This is the default location of the toggles, so hopefully you can find yours in the same exact place. Now once you see it you can simply tap on it. It automatically starts recording, as you can see. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. Now I am going to open up one application just to kind of show off something which is very annoying. So as you can see we have some content here visible, clearly visible. Cool, get started, whoop-de-doo, whatever. We have a bunch of stuff showing up here, right? Now let's close this, stop the recording. And now when we go into our Photos application, if I can actually find it. Photos anywhere? Ah, there we go. Gallery found it. So it's right over here. So as you can see, you can find the screen recording smack in front of your gallery, mixed with all the photos, videos that I have captured. And here's our Netflix, very visible as a absolute nothingness, as a void. Awesome, because that's what I wanted to record. So that being said, Netflix is one of those garbage applications that apparently has more control over your own device than you do, and also has more insight into it than you do, because apparently it knows exactly what you're doing, but you have no idea what the application is doing. Great, I love it. So yeah. Whenever you encounter any kind of screen recording like that, where you have just straight up black screen, just know that the application has the ability to block screen recorders. Now for some reason, I don't think it can block the audio, so you will be able to record that, even the internal one, but you won't be getting any images. Now just to name a few applications, obviously any kind of streaming application will do this, though it's not for your own safety, believe me, it's just for their own pocket safety. The applications that do this for your safety, because that's basically what this feature was intended for, would be bank applications. So any kind of bank application that you try to record will also give you the same result, and the reason for that would be if you're doing something in your bank, putting in your passwords and all that stuff, and you have some malicious app trying to just screen pin it and then give whoever is trying to hack you info about your bank and how to log into it, that would be a big no-no. So this basically protects you, but Netflix does not. Now anyway, as you can see, that's where our screen recording is located, but I believe we should also find it in our albums. We have screenshots, and yep, it's also in the screenshots folder. Now the reason I pointed out screenshots out of all the ones that we can see, which is all photos, videos, and screenshot, is because screenshots will be probably the easiest to find this in, because it contains strictly screenshots and screen recordings. So like I said, it will be the easiest to find your screen recording between here, compared to, for instance, right here, especially later down the line where you have just massive amounts of content. Anyway, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.